So in this video, I want to show you how to use the Vlookup function while using a wildcard key in Google Sheets. So you may or you may not know, but you can use a wildcard when you're trying to do a Vlookup in Google Sheets. And what I mean by like using a wildcard, let's say, for example, you don't know the person's full name that you're trying to do a Vlookup on. So based on, the data that I have here, let's say you don't know the person's full name. Let's say you only know a couple of letters in the person's name. You can still do a Vlookup on that person and pull their salary. So let me show you an example. So let's say I don't know the full name of this person, Walter Miller, but I know the first two letters of his name start with a W and an A. I can still do a Vlookup on Walter Miller based on the first two letters of his name. And here's how. If I hit equals Vlookup, and where it says search key, instead of referencing cell A2, hit quote, type in WA, and then put an asterisk after WA and a quote, hit comma, and then I select this range. I'm gonna hit F4 to lock it in place, and index, because we want the salary, which is in column C. Type in 3 and type false here. I will still get Walter Miller's salary of $25,709, because what it's doing is based on WA asterisk, it's going through and searching for all the names that start with WA. And the first one it came across was Walter Miller. And that is the salary we want. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're new to this channel, subscribe for more tips like this.